Hi, now let's look at this problem. Factorize 64x raised to the power of 6 minus 1. Solution: 64x raised to the power of 6 minus 1. So how do you solve this problem? Now the first thing is to express this as multiple of 4. This is a multiple of 4. So we express it in index form. So now we have 4 raised to the power of 3. And this x raised to the power of 6 is the same thing as x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3, okay, minus 1 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so this now turns to 4x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 raised to the power of 3. Now we now have difference of 2 cubes. We'll be making use of this rule. A raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3 equals to a minus b times a raised to the power of 2 plus ab plus b raised to the power of 2. So that's what we're going to be applying here now. So a now, when you compare with what we have there, a is 4x raised to the power of 2 and b is what? 1. Alright, so now this expression now turns to a minus b. So that's going to be 4x raised to the power of 2 minus 1, okay, times a squared. Now you are squaring this, so that's going to be 4x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2, so plus ab, so this times this, so that's 4x squared, 4x squared. Now plus b squared, that is 1 squared, so you have 1. Okay, so now this can be expressed as 2x raised to the power of 2, because 2x times 2x is going to give you 4x squared. So I'm writing this as 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. 1 is the same thing as 1 squared. Okay, so we now have this to be 16x raised to the power of 4. Okay, so plus 4x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. Alright, now when you look at this, this is difference of two squares. So when you have difference of two squares, now you have to apply this relationship. You can see a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2 equals to a minus b times a plus b. Alright, so now our a here is 2x, while b is a is 1. Alright, so this turns to 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1 times what we have here, that is 16x raised to the power of 4 plus 4x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. And that is the answer to the problem. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.